We are here presenting a mock job interview for the post of Assistant English Professor. This interview will let you know about the basic questions and the proper manner to answer them. The interview, being an informal conversation between two friends, will help you to understand things through a better perspective. Hi, Anne. Hello, Ria. Ria, hadn't I informed you earlier about my interview for Assistant English Professor? It's happening in 2 days. I'm a little nervous regarding it. So, have you prepared well for the same? I've done my part, still, I'm a little worried. Don't worry, Anne. We'll do one thing. Let's just try out a mock interview and the possible questions. That's a very good idea, Ria. Then, shall we begin? Yes. Why did you choose to be a professor? As a professor, you need to have passion for learning and also expert level knowledge. Professors have a chance to shape their students' future. They influence the students in their daily life. So I chose to be a professor. Why do you want to teach in our institute? I always wanted to work in the institute, which gives a lot of importance on good teaching practice. I really appreciate the way you dedicate attention to each and every student. I believe I can provide the same dedication and prioritize teaching over everything else. Create an imaginary difficult work situation and tell us how you will overcome it. Task to help students in completing their revision. I will discuss the questions which are likely to come and complete a last run through over each chapters so that every student is able to go through major portions in every chapter. What are your long-term and short-term goals? My short-term goal is to get an opportunity to work in a reputed institution like yours. My long-term goals are to earn experience from such an institution like yours and to learn nitty-gritties of being a good professor and to rise up in my career. And you are performing well, dear. Thank you so much, Ria. And few suggestions. You should answer everything with full of confidence and should maintain an eye contact with the board members. Thank you, dear. Thanks for your support. These are some basic questions and answers. Now, we can take a look at the post for a web developer. Questions for the position of a web developer. Why should we hire you? I have a passion for web development that has grown stronger over the course of my 5-year career. The company's mission aligns with my personal values, and from my limited time in the office, I can already tell this is a sort of positive culture in which I would thrive. I want to work for a company that has the potential to reshape the industry, and I believe you're doing just that. What, according to you, are the major responsibilities of a web developer? As a web developer, most of the time, entire responsibility of the project is shouldered on us. Major of them are developing the appropriate structures for the project, to provide assistance with the maintenance of websites, also to have the ownership of code throughout the development and testing, to coordinate with the designers, to fix the error and resolve problems, to upload the site successfully over the servers. And that's it. We think that you all get an idea about the questions and how to answer each one. Thank you for watching.